It's time to dress up this naked driver with a head cover. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. What kind of channel would I be if I didn't have a head cover that also was my mascot? Listen, this head cover here is a panda bear, and it's kind of like stuffed toy looking. It's got a one on it. You can buy it individually. What I like about this is it's kind of one of these old school standard head covers with this long kind of knit sock on it. And, you know, the bear looks a little like me. It's very plush. Hopefully this will work for the typical large drivers that we have these days. It's got kind of a little frumpy face, but let's go ahead and put the sucker on. Let's see if it'll work on this Maverick driver here. Yeah, looks like it goes on just fine. Hey, this is a 460cc driver, so it's pretty big. And you can see here that it's filling out my bear friend pretty well here. So if you want the bear standing straight up, I don't feel like the head goes into the panda head that well. So he kind of looks like he's bending over and throwing up or something. If I rotate him around here, he's kind of looking up at the sky, but he looks a lot better this way. Hey, if you want a panda head cover for your driver, you can pick this one up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.